Torres, this is my bike check. Starting with the grips, I have the stolen loop grips. They came stuck on my bike, so I just use them, and I like them. But I have ODI bar ends, so that works. For my bars, I have Eastern bars. I don't know what kind they are, but they're 9-inch rise, and I like the high bars. For my stem, I have the Sunday Freeze tabloid stem, and I painted it like blood splatter. And that also goes good with the bars. For my headset, I think it's just a stock stolen headset. Stolen Vortex headset. Along with the forks, it's also stolen Vortex. For my front wheel, I have the stolen Revolt wheel, placed to a stock hub. And the stock hub has been working for a while, so it works. For my front peg, I have the Odyssey M peg with a G Sport MK4 hub guard. So it's been working pretty good. For my frame, I have the stolen Vortex frame. I didn't snap or anything yet, so that works for big gaps and all that. For my back wheel, I have the Alienation PBR rim next to a mission response hub. For my back peg, I have the Odyssey M peg again with another G Sport hub guard. That works. For my chain, I have the Odyssey Bluebird chain in silver, and I run it really tight because I like tight chains. For my sprocket, I have the stolen Scream sprocket. Shallow Scream sprocket. It's really thick, and it hasn't bent yet or anything for when I grind and stuff, so that works. And for my cranks, I have stolen stock cranks. I think they're Vortex again, but they work. For my pedals, I have Black Ops. I don't know what kind they are, but they're Black Ops, and they're thin, so I like grippy pedals. And for my seat, I have the stolen seat post combo because I don't like pivot seats. I don't know why, but for my tires, I have the Demolition Momentum tires. The front is 2.35 and the back is 2.20. So, and I'm at them maybe like 70 or 80 psi. So I like that. And I guess that's it.